2. DealMachine Street Engine. So we have that base of our car, right? It does the basic functions that DealMachine CRM is just chugging along the road. Well, maybe we want to soup up the engine a little bit so we can get some more ponies, okay? So Street Engine is that engine. So pop that baby right into that CRM. So with Street Engine, you get 3 different plans you can choose from, all with a 7-day free trial. Basic plan starts you out at $49 a month. You get everything in DealMachine CRM. Remember, we're still in the car, we're just putting a nice little engine in. So 500 street leads per month, 1 full access team member, and 1 DealFinder. DealFinders are people that are going to drive for you to find properties to better utilize your time. Unlocking 55-cent mailers, 17-cent skip tracing, and $1.75 on Ballpoint Letters. Unlock also 34-cent corporate skip tracing. You also get the mobile map. So for professional plan, you get 1,000 street leads per month, 2 full access team members, 2 DealFinders, route tracking, and a Chrome extension. What do you use for the Chrome extension, you may ask? Virtual driving for dollars. Check it out from this link. So to really rev up the horsepower, we got the enterprise plan. So this, you get 10,000 street leads per month, 30 full access team members, and up to 300 DealFinders. So also unlocking that 49-cent mailers, 15-cent skip tracing, $1.47 Ballpoint Letters, 30-cent corporate skip tracing, and a custom landing page and training portal to streamline adding those drivers for your team. It also includes mail tracking add-on, so you know exactly when those mailers are going to hit and when you should be expecting a call. So go add those ponies to your deal machine, give it a little spin with that 7-day free trial, and let us know if you have any questions. Now check part 3 for the next little enhancement. And if you like this video, make sure you press that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you can see the best and the greatest that's coming to DealMachine. Happy deal finding!